So, you're thinking about moving to Palm Coast, Florida, but you want to know more about the VA loans? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around because we're going to get after it right now. Hi, my name is Stephanie Schulis with Real Broker. Thanks so much for joining us today. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure to tap that button below to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you can be the first to be notified every time we put out brand new content all about Palm Coast, Florida living and moving to Palm Coast, Florida and the surrounding areas. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every day looking to make the move to Palm Coast, and we absolutely love it. So, whether you're thinking about moving in the next 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll do everything we can to help you make a smooth move to Palm Coast, Florida. We're a veteran family, and I love helping people move to Palm Coast, take advantage of all of the wonderful veteran benefits that Florida has to offer, as well as Palm Coast. And a lot of the questions I hear when people move here is they're not sure if they're going to use a VA loan. So I wanted to take a few minutes today to kind of talk about some of the ways that VA loans can help you buy a home. For over 80 years, the Veteran Affairs home loans have helped millions of veterans buy their own homes. If you or someone you know has served in the military, it's important to learn about the program and its benefits. Here are some of the key things to know about VA loans. The top benefits of a VA home loan is that it makes it easier for veterans to buy a home, and they're a great perk for those who qualify. According to the Department of Veteran Affairs, some benefits include options for no down payment. Qualified buyers can often purchase a home with no down payment. That's a huge weight lifted when you're trying to save to buy a home, especially if you also have to factor in cross-country moves. About 90% of VA loans are used to purchase a home with no money down, according to the Associated Press. VA loans also don't require PMI, that's private mortgage insurance. Many other loans with down payments under 20% require PMI. So loans like FHA, where the down payment is 3%, or common down payment is 3%, they will have a PMI attached to it. VA loans do not, which means that veterans can save on their monthly housing costs. There's also limited closing costs. There are costs on types of closing costs. There are limits on the types of closing costs that you can have when you pay or qualify for a VA home loan. So more money stays in your pocket when it's time to seal the deal. An article from Veterans United sums up how remarkable this loan can be. For the vast majority of military borrowers, VA loans represent the most powerful lending program on the market. These flexible, zero money down payment mortgages have helped more than 24 million service members become homeowners since 1944. Owning a home is the American dream. Veterans have given a lot to protect our country, and one way to honor them is by making sure that they know about VA home loans. And it's not just about making sure that veterans know about home loans. There are some misconceptions in the market, and I know that that scares some veterans from using the VA loans. They're afraid that sellers will view a VA home loan as riskier, more of a pain with more government bureaucracy checklists and things like that. And those misconceptions do exist. I've run into them many times. And that's where it really comes handy to have an agent who knows how these VA loans work, who has partnerships with wonderful lenders who can also articulate to the value of a VA home loan and speak that value to the other agent and help to reassure those sellers and help to correct any of those misconceptions. If you have any questions about the VA home loan or how it's working here in our market in Palm Coast, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We love hearing from you guys. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.